So, you know how sometimes things just don't go as planned? Well, yeah, that was yesterday, which is why you got no video. Yeah, it was just a kind of a hodgepodge, is that even a word, of really stupid things. One of the things I recorded the dialogue for the video. I recorded the headshot, the monologue, whatever, the meat of the video for yesterday, and realized that I had one of either my wife or my daughter's really long hairs just on the front of my shirt, and it was super, super obvious. If I find a clip of it, I'll put it here. And then the other thing that happened was we had a virtual event yesterday by Channel Pro. Shout out to Joel, Michael, the whole crew. Great event as usual. But the other thing that happened yesterday, which is what I'm gonna go fix right now, is, yeah, I broke my shower curtain rod. Yeah, been wanting to replace it anyway, so not a big deal, but back to Home Depot we go. Oh yeah, and by the way, that GFCI outlet that I bought the other day at Home Depot, yeah, got to return that because, yeah, well, I told you the extension cord story, and that's in another video, so go watch that one. But right now, Home Depot. Am I the only one that when they go to Home Depot, they get way more than what they were thinking they were going to get? Yeah, happens every single time. Pretty good. How are you?
Not too bad. What you having?
I will have an iced. Oh, you've got the caramel brulee latte. Okay,
yeah.
So iced caramel brulee latte.
What size?
Grande.
Okay.
And
Do you want the whipped cream?
sure, why not? We're living dangerously today.
Right.
Bacon Gouda egg as well.
Anything else for you?
Nope, that's it.
All right. 11:37 at the window.
Thank you.
Thank you.
And then the bacon Gouda.
Of course, if my phone wasn't in the way, there we go.
It happens. Thank you.
Thank you. All right, so yesterday, or well, not yesterday, because obviously, as you know, I skipped this video yesterday, but the day before, last video, whatever it was, I mentioned SMART-ER goals, and I know that a lot of you are familiar with SMART goals, but what the heck are SMART-ER goals? Well, SMART-ER goals is a framework that was set up by a guy named Michael Hyatt. SMART-ER, what does it mean? So the S stands for specific, and this means having the end in mind. So when you're defining a goal, make sure you know, paint a picture in your mind of what that goal looks like when you're done, when you're finished. M stands for measurable, okay? So you want to make sure that when you get there, when you get to the end of the goal, you know exactly where you're at. And the only way to know that is to put some kind of number, some type of actual physical, I reached that goal by doing X. Now, the other benefit of measurable is you can actually track your progress along the way. The A stands for actionable. Can we actually do it? It's important to know that we can actually accomplish the goal, and so all of the tasks leading up to that goal, we need to know whether or not we can actually do them. R is for risky, and I think this is an important one, because if a goal isn't stretching you to some extent, is it really a goal, or is it something that you just would have done anyway? Time bound. It has to have a time limit. It has to have a deadline. Now, maybe if it's a bigger goal, it actually has mileposts along the way, but it needs to be time bound and exciting. This is especially important when we're setting a goal, not just for us, but for other people as well. It needs to tie in and align with our personal passions so that we're actually excited about it and we have a why behind why we're doing it. Lastly, relevant. Why is this goal relevant to the rest of my life? Because if it's not, is it a goal that we should really be doing? Now, if this is a business goal, why is this goal relevant to the rest of the business? Everybody who's going to be a part of this goal needs to know why it's relevant to the rest of the business. So, make your goals smarter. I'll see you in the next video.